we build an extension in the Nimbus phone system? It's very easy, and to do it, we are going to select Applications, then select Extensions. Once there, we're going to select Add Extension, and we are going to choose the Add New SIP Legacy Chan SIP extension. Now our first field you can see says user extension. This is the extension number you would like this extension to be. So in this case, I'm going to use 201. We have our extension's display name. I'm going to just select 201 in this case. Now you can see we have outbound caller ID. So this is the number we want to send to other businesses, basically where we're calling, what phone number we want to send to them. Now, if we hit the question mark to the right of outbound caller ID, the question mark actually gives you a description of what this field is asking you to do and how to properly program it. So as we can see, we have format, and it tells us the format that we need to enter our business name followed by the number we want to send. So to do this, I'm going to follow that format. So now we should be good to go on caller ID, and this is what will be sent when we make an outbound call. Disregard the emergency caller ID field. I am going to go into this in a future video on when this needs to be configured, what exactly is occurring when this field is filled out. So we will save that for a future video. Below that, we have secret. So the secret is the password for this extension when it comes to registration. Leave it at the default just because the default secret is actually a very secure secret just due to the character number. So we'll leave it as is. I'm now going to scroll down to the bottom of the page and hit submit. And now we just created a new extension. Now for this change to be actually applied, we need to select the apply config bar at the right hand corner here. So now once we select that, now our setting is applied. Now you don't have to select the apply config bar every time you make any change. Let's say you were building 10 extensions in this area. You can build out those 10 extensions, and then when you're done with this area, then you can hit the apply config to actually apply those changes. You don't have to do it on every little change that's made. In theory, you could program an entire Nimbus phone system from start to finish and only hit apply config at the end. I do not recommend doing that just in case something happens. You have a power outage, something along those lines where you lose that configuration. So I just do it periodically as I have a decent amount of programming put in place.